Kabo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Wear in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Wear in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank SUKA-VANA for sending us 2 of their bottles. Actually, ang galing ng pagkaka-packaging nila, no? So, yung mga packaging nila, dito nila pinapadala usually. So, on our table, syempre, teternohan natin yan ng mga sinasawsaw sa suka. So, mostly, meron tayong chicharon dyan. Imagine, meron tayong longganisa. Probably a tocino. Masarap din yan sa suka. Also, yung mga empanadang Ilocos. Yan, ang sarap din ng may suka yan. Sometimes, nagpe-prepare tayo dyan ng pako, kamatis, itlog na maalat. And nilalagyan natin siya ng vinegar. Kind of vinaigrette ka nga nila. Okay. So, let's taste them. I wanna try first this one. Ayan. So, let me mix it. Lagyan natin siya ng egg. Ayan. So, this is salted egg. Little bit of suka. Ayan. So, si SUKA-VANA is made from Sukang Paombong. Alam naman natin, guys, is Paombong is a municipality in Bulacan. Yan. Very famous po sila sa kanilang suka. And then, yung mga owners nito, guys, started to develop their kind or their own ingredients na rin. Sabi nga dun sa ano, it's sour but not too sour. It's sweet but not too sweet. It's spicy but not too spicy. Just perfect. So let me try itong ano natin, pako natin. One little bit more. Ayan. Cheers. Wow. Ang sarap. Actually, when you try it on its own, oh yeah, I like it. It's sour, it's sweet, and spicy. Bago tayo magpatuloy doon, I wanna try this chicharon naman. Yan. Ooh. If you notice, guys, if you shake it very well, so lalabas yung mga ingredients niya. And then at the bottom, doon mo talaga makikita pag nagsettle na yung mga herbs, yung spices na naghalo-halo na dito sa suka na to. Gagawin natin, we're gonna put in our pako plus kamatis plus itlog na maalat right on top of our chicharon, and then let's bat it or let's shower it with, oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Alright, let's try it. Sarap ng suka. Grabe. Lalong sumasarap yung chicharon. One more. So let's put in our kamatis. Ayan. Plus itlog na maalat. Plus our suka. Oh. It's dripping. Oh yeah. Price natin dito is 120 pesos SRP. They are looking for resellers. If you order 15 bottles, so they're gonna slash 30 pesos per bottle. So that's just gonna be 1,350 pesos. That's almost 500 pesos na less or discount. Imagine, kikitain mo na yon if you're gonna resell this bottle. So guys, if you want to know more about this suka, make sure to check out their fan page. We're gonna be tagging it sa caption na to. And, whoa, enjoy it. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching Wear in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out. Bye!